This is for the SafeBest bike lock, and the gasket's kind of making it a bit too wide to fit around the tubing of the bike, so we're going to cut the old one. This is the old gasket from the old bike lock. Because it's not closing enough to secure with the screws. So we take the old gasket, slipping it into the new bracket. And pop it on. And make sure you have the bike brake cable out of the way. Still seems rather tight, but what do you think?
I'm gonna try and put it up here instead.
Okay, try to fit it up higher up. That's a good idea.
Still a bit too tight.
That's a pretty thick gasket though with the old. Cut the old one a bit more.
Put it upside down.
Double check the brake line is out of the way, and it is. Let's see. So you screw one end in while holding the other end secure so it doesn't continue to pivot.
Yeah, there's a hex bolt in the back.
What do you think? And then how does this go ahead and... Oh, okay, so that just clicks in there like so. And that's for easy storage. Alright. So how would one take, can you show how would one take that out and then put it back in again? Let's see here. You just press that and then put it back. And it stays out of the way. And clicks in perfect. Then when you go anywhere, of course, you just wrap it around a secure post or something secure that you know can't be removed. And there you go. Secure bike lock, and it's very easy to reset the combination as well. Instructions are completely on the website, so you can go ahead and see how to do that.
When you do tie the chain, when you do put the cord through it, you want to go through the body of the bike, through the wheel.
Yeah, make sure you definitely go through the wheel.
People steal the wheels.
Exactly, so it should loop around. Here, can you show real quick how to loop it around? The best effective way. Pull it out. So when you secure it to a very stable surface, like a post, cement post, or any
Oh, I probably don't like this.
bike area, let's see here, you wrap it around the steel part of the frame, and definitely make sure to go through the wheel of the bike.
And you go around a pole or something,
Mm-hmm.
you attach it. The cool thing about this is you can change the combination by just sliding these out. Do these come with adjustable?
Yeah, it shows online. It shows how you reset the
Yeah,
combination.
you can readjust it and
And
make
then
your
you
own
can-
number.
And make sure you change it before you leave, because you don't want to leave the combination on your combination. That will be redundant. Alrighty. And there we go. It's a really great bike lock, and there's different colors. I chose the blue. And definitely stay safe with your bike. And look how easy that stays out of the way. Check it out.